Hello, 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 basket makers, designers, creators, and anything in between. I hope y'all are out today. Raining here, but it stopped just enough for me to get my tent up. I'm down one 8-foot table, thank goodness. I sold all those. And now I've got it condensed down to 2 tables. I pray everyone gets big sales today, sells out, and gets to go home with no baskets. But here, I have found barbecue in this area does not sell well. But sports, which I will know for next time, and hygiene, exercise equipment, and like spa, foot cream and stuff, that sells here. And I had a lot asked for soccer, and I did not make soccer. I hope y'all are doing great. I hope blessings pour upon you. You have tons and tons of sales. And we all be out here hustling and getting things done. I pray it's not raining in your area. Talk to y'all soon.